Well, I wanted to give you an update on a product I tried, which is Target 6, MSMA Target 6.6. That's exactly what it's called. I got it on Do My Own, and I'll put it on the description below to how to use it for this crabgrass I've been trying to kill on my aunt's farm here. It's just been really, really, really bad. To give you an idea how bad it is, this is the area I sprayed right here already. I sprayed this little strip here just to try it out. This has been about 12 days since I sprayed it. Actually got a little bit of the crabgrass still in here, but definitely not as bad. And grass has actually been able to erupt and start growing. Okay, I did this strip here, but here, let me take you over here real quick where I have a dense area of the this horrible crabgrass. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know why it's in the Sunshine State. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like crabgrass, but it stands up. But anyway, this is the only stuff that would get it, is this MSMA Target 6 I've been spraying. As you can see right here, boom. It's like gone, this little area here away from the other area. Here we are. Now we're here again. There it is. There it is all over the place, this doggone crabgrass. And this stuff is just like super invasive. It's just like, it's just taking over her whole area of her house. Everything seems to be this crabgrass. But anyway, trying this product, as you can see here, I mean, it's nice, man. It's starting to come back. It looked like it was all dead. And then about, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago, I started seeing an erupt of, I guess this is like some type of Bermuda grass here coming through. And it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it really wiped out a majority. I mean, this whole area right here, just this whole 6 foot to 30 foot area I sprayed was just covered with this doggone stuff. I mean, as you can see, this stuff is everywhere, man. It's just, I don't even know what it is. It's just like, I show it to these guys at the stores and stuff, you know, and the lawn and garden places, and they're just like, you know, it's crabgrass, you know, deal with it. It's not crabgrass. I don't know what this is. But, I mean, here it is, a close-up look at it. But anyway, this stuff also killed a lot of the nut grass, which in the Sunshine State here grows like crazy, and a whole bunch of little other weedy-looking plants. But it's considered a post-emergent, so it's worked out great for me. Once again, it's a MSMA Target 6.6, and I got it from Do My Own, and I'll put it on the description below, so you can order it yourself and get yourself a 2.5 gallon bottle of this stuff and give it a shot. That's all I can say. It works for me. Good luck. God bless.